Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Asian and European equities are higher. Japan and Indian markets were up around 1% to lead the major bourses. Taiwan was a notable exception, slipping fractionally. Europe's Stoxx is posting a minor gain, but it follows more than 1% gains in the past two sessions. U.S. futures are posting small losses. The U.S. dollar begins the new month better offered. It is softer against all the major currencies. Short-in positions continue to get unwound, which is leading the move, followed by the Antipodeans, where the Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to hike rates tomorrow. Gold is extending last week's 2.2% rally, its best in 5 months. It is approaching $1,775, and the next important area is $1,800. September WTI is seeing the pre-weekend 2.3% rally retrace. It is off around 1.8% near $96.80. Asian Pacific market. Japan's manufacturing PMI slipped a little more than the flash reading suggested. It stands at 52.1 from 52.2 preliminary estimated and 52.7 in June. It is the fourth consecutive decline. The dollar's pullback against the yen has been extended to almost JPY 132.00 today. It peaked in mid-July near 139.40. Australia's final manufacturing PMI was unchanged at 55.7 from its preliminary estimate, which was down from 56.2. The Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its rate decision tomorrow. The Australian dollar has edged through last week's highs to poke around $0.7035. The $0.7055 to $0.7070 offers a band of nearby resistance. Market of Europe. The final Eurozone July manufacturing PMI confirmed the poor news. The final reading was 49.8 vs 49.6 of the flash estimate and 52.1 in June. It is the sixth consecutive monthly decline. Germany's manufacturing PMI is at 49.3, up from the 49.2 initial estimate, but down from 52.0 in June. Separately, while the UK manufacturing sector is faring better, it is also slowing. For the third consecutive session, the euro is making new highs. It has taken out last week's high to approach $1.0270. It has not been above $1.0280 since July 5. Sterling is knocking on the $1.2245 area, its best level since late June. Market of America. The Atlanta Fed's GDP now first estimate for third quarter GDP is 2.1%. Today, the U.S. sees the final manufacturing PMI and the ISM Manufacturing Index. Both are July prints, while construction spending is for June. The highlight of the week is Friday's July jobs report. Median forecast in Bloomberg survey is for 250,000. Canada's economic data begins quietly, but the highlights include Thursday's trade report and Friday's jobs. The U.S. dollar settled just below CAD 1.28 ahead of the weekend for the first time since mid-June. Follow-through selling today pushed the greenback to almost 1.2770. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.